How to log into a universal credit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into your universal credit card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go ahead and type in universal credit card login in your search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites from where you need to click on the initial website that is indicating sign into your universal credit account. Click on it. Then you will be taken to this kind of page where you have to simply scroll down and click on the sign in button over here. After you click on it, you will be taken to the login portal where you have to first enter the username in the first field, then followed by the password. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply go ahead and click on the link of forgot username or forgot your password and enter the email address that is associated with your account and click on send username. And after you have entered the correct form of your credentials, simply go ahead and click on sign in option that is highlighted in green color in order to successfully log into your universal credit account. And if you have never claimed universal credit, you may also be able to use the universal credit online service by clicking on this link over here. This will help you create a universal credit account, make a claim, and join your partner's claim. So this is all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.